Hey guys, and welcome back, and today we're at our local warehouse, and from some connections that our friend has, they say that they've got Team Transports Round 3 inside, which would be the first Team Transports to ever come to New Zealand. Can't wait to see them. Let's go in once it opens. Hey guys, so we're back. We're just running because there were some people behind us. Oh my gosh.
We'll look through that later.
Oh, T2!
Yeah.
Regular T2, come on. Let's see.
There's none on the peaks.
Okay, nothing there.
Yeah, there we go.
There they are.
FLF 56, that's it.
Okay, oh yes, there's
Oh, phew, they're here.
And look, the new Monster Jams! Look, these are 100% cooler than the original ones. Just saying, they're so cool.
Jim, check through the dump.
Hey guys, and take a look at this. The Brie Datsun. Oh my gosh. We, I think, are the first people in the world to find these on the peaks while filming them. I think our friend had found these, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel, but still, on YouTube, the first. First Team Transporters in New Zealand. That is beautiful. More?
Oh, it's just those two there. I don't know if you want them.
Toby, 2 more Brie Datsuns.
2 more?
2 more Bries.
Oh, you can have a Brie if you want. Do you want one?
Thanks, Cameron.
There's another Brie.
You can have
Those
one
are
of
free.
those.
There's one of those, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful, and it's my favourite truck.
I'll just have a...
With it, the Brie.
Damn, that's awesome.
That's sick.
Where did he get them from?
He just came with them. I bet somebody might have returned them.
I'll just film these quick.
Oh, look how sweet that is.
That's cool.
All around deco rubber wheels.
Brie Datsun.
Oh, just whatever you. Are you taking all 4 of those? Or?
Probably.
So I think you should just get one of each. Surely.
Maybe. I'll look at the...
That's
That's pretty
sweet. So thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to Diecast NZ. He's just taking a look at the cars. And watch. I'll be uploading a video of me cracking open this. Go watch Toby's. He will do something with his ones. But so thank you very much for watching. You can hear Toby in the background probably. But just look at that. I think I might be putting one behind the desk to buy later. I've only got enough money for one, so see you guys later. Oh, did you know it's the 60th anniversary for Barbie? It is. But thank you for watching. I think I might just gonna show what it looks like.
Probably not gonna
This is definitely my second favourite truck that I've produced yet. Very nice. And then there is the Hakasuka. Could you pass that so we could take a look?
Zedium Legends hack.
Ooh,
I'm definitely getting the Hako.
Sakura Sprinter. Oh, look at that detail. I don't think I've ever produced a Hakasuka in that detail.
It is
Oh,
beautiful.
the chrome is a bit poppy-outy. I don't like
No.
that very much. But yeah, I'm definitely getting a Brie. Definitely.
I
Look at
don't
that.
know.
You're not getting it?
Oh no, you can have that.
Right.
That's very nice. That's,
I'm probably going to open a Datsun actually. Hold
yeah.
on.
They're
No roll cage there, roll cage here.
Oh,
Roll cage.
let's see mine.
So no roll cage Hako, and on the picture it has a roll cage. There must be a variation.
Mine doesn't have a roll cage.
Serious?
Yeah.
Look at that.
No, the rendering doesn't have
Oh
a roll
no,
cage.
the Hako's rendering does,
Ah, yeah.
and that doesn't. So there's a variation.
Let's see in this. Oh yeah, there's a roll cage. There's a roll cage on the rendering
man.
back there.
Oh,
There.
I'm gutting.
Oh yeah, there's a roll cage inside of there. You can take a look at that. So, see you guys later.